and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer your Lazada wallet balance to Gcash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Lazada app, and once you open it, you need to go in the Lazada wallet section. So once you tap on your Lazada wallet section, you can see how much cash balance is remaining on your Lazada wallet. So simply tap on the cash in option, and once you do this, tap on cash in. So once you tap on it, you will be now redirected to a different kind of interface, which basically looks like this. So simply tap on withdrawal deposits. Once you do this, you can find an option where you can search or tap on your Gcash account and type in the account number of Gcash. After you do this, you can simply transfer your Lazada wallet balance to your Gcash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.